Paul Harmer. I'm the president of Richardson Service, 1991 Incorporated. We're out of our bases out of Conway, South Carolina. We've been involved with PRINOTH products for the last 4 years. This is our second 300 Raptor that we've acquired. You know, we were looking for new vendors in the vegetation management product line. We looked at FECON, we had FAE approach us, and all the major manufacturers, including CEPI. And we felt comfortable with the PRINOTH family, and therefore we selected them. You know, out of the 4 major products, PRINOTH was the competition at the time, but become part of our family. So, and it's been good for us. So, our main core business is we rent equipment to mulching companies, tree care industry. We find that as a very good tool to not only generate revenue on the rental side, but it's also a good tool to sell. The usage on the product that we acquire from PRINOTH is basically maintenance on power line right-of-ways, new power line right-of-ways as well, so virgin. Also the pipeline industry, we use them on a lot of clearing of right-of-ways and stuff. And your DOT work, we use along the side of the roads and stuff as well. So I think in closing, I believe that the PRINOTH product will be #1 in the near future as far as mulching industry goes. We've had very good growth, very good response out of the product line, and performance is there. They build a good quality product, and we look forward to the future with your product line.